Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to quickly make a histogram using Google Sheets. So let's begin the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the data you want to use in your histogram. Now select the data and then go to the Insert menu. Now go for Chart. As you notice, a chart editor is appeared on the right. In this chart editor, go for Chart Types. Scroll down to find the histogram chart. Now click on it. As you guys noticed, we got this histogram chart. You can customize your chart type, levels and other settings in the chart editor. That's it. Hope this video helped you guys. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.